Review and export your transactions from Ramp fully coded with ease to keep your books accurate. The goal for this whole accounting tab is to be blank, which means all transactions have been coded and exported from Ramp, ready to import into your accounting provider by month-end close. Only coded transactions can be marked ready to export after you have completed the Configure to Export settings, which will show here on the top right, and if you don't see it there, it can be found under Settings and under Export Settings here. To mark a transaction ready for export, they will need to be fully coded, and then you will be able to click on the green checkbox here next to each transaction, or use the checkboxes here on the left to select all transactions, or even select multiple transactions to code in bulk. You can code in bulk by clicking on Edit Accounting Category on the bottom right corner and then selecting the accounting category, or you can select the accounting category for each transaction one by clicking on the drop down here. If you scroll to the right, you'll also see the other accounting fields where you can select the options by clicking on the drop down. Click on the three dots all the way to the right to split a transaction. You can split it by the accounting field you've added, including the chart of accounts, and add as many splits as needed here. You can also change the amount and the percentage allocated to each split. To see more details of a transaction, click into the transaction. Here, you'll be able to see transaction requirements, approvals, accounting details, and transaction activity, where you could even leave a comment. Once all transaction requirements are met and you've selected all required accounting fields, you will be able to click Mark Ready to export the transaction. For example, we need to finish selecting a location for this, and then you'll see this button here on the bottom turn yellow where it says Mark Ready. Go ahead and click on Mark Ready, and your transaction has been marked ready to export. In this view, you'll have to click on the green check mark to mark it as ready, and the transaction will move to the Ready to Export tab from the Needs Review tab. If you need to edit a transaction after marking it as ready to export, you can always click on these arrows and it will move it back to the Needs Review tab from the Ready to Export tab. On the top right-hand side, click Export All to review your transactions and export them out of Ramp. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good here, go ahead and click on Export CSV. Your CSV export will look very similar to this, displaying your accounting fields coded as well as other important information such as the memo and the link to the receipt. Now you may have noticed once we exported that transaction, it disappeared from this page. You can always view your export history by clicking on the three dots on the left of settings on the top right where it says Export History, and here you can see who and when the last export was made. You can always access the export file here again. Keep this tab clear by coding and exporting regularly, and you'll stay on track for a smooth month-end close.